Well,
Yeah.
what was the source of the fire?
Well, presumably it was a cigarette that wasn't put out.
Yours? Was it your
No, I
cigarette?
don't smoke, but I had a guy living in the back bedroom and he smoked.
Oh,
About that, I'm concerned about running out of money for the rebuild.
yeah,
Because when you buy insurance,
yeah,
they have a limit on your policy.
yeah.
And so they tell you how much you have. And of course, when you buy insurance, this idea here, you buy by price. So
Right.
you get the lowest price you
Right.
can.
Oh shit! So he
Yeah.
burnt your house down?
Probably, yeah.
Oh,
I mean, he didn't have any money, so he couldn't sue him.
so dang! Did you lose everything?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Damn!
Yeah,
Starting your whole life over.
basically, yeah. At least as far as possessions go. I've still got my Roscoe dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody got out fine. It was me, the dog, and then the guy and his dog in the basement. We all got out.
And he couldn't put the fire before the cigarette just blazed the whole house.
He was gone at the time. See,
Oh, he had left the cigarette smoldering.
I saw him leave about half an hour 45 minutes before I saw the fire.
Yeah.
So that's my guess.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I know.
Well, are you still friendly with the guy?
Well, I don't see him very often.
Yeah.
He didn't have a place to live anyway when he was staying in my back bedroom.
Yeah.
And so I don't know where he's living now either. So
Yeah.
I've seen him a few times at Soli's, if you know the bar there.
Yeah, Solly's right there.
11th and U.
Yeah.
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 I've seen him there a couple times, but it's been a few months since.
So is he homeless?
I imagine he is. I asked him where he was living. He said he was staying with some friends at 12th and B.
Yeah.
So,
Damn.
yeah, I know. Whatever.
How old are
Okay.
you? Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, my health's okay.
Yeah. No, very good, man. Very good. Hate to hear you start over like that, but
I know.
yeah. Yeah.
I'm not really so concerned about that. I'm concerned about running out of money for the rebuild.
Yeah.
Because when you buy insurance,
Yeah.
they have a limit on your policy.
Yeah.
And so they tell you how much you have. And of course, when you buy insurance, this idea here, you buy by price. So
Right.
you get the lowest price you
Right.
can.
Yeah.
Because you don't expect to have a fire.
Yeah.
Right. So you say, oh, I don't want to waste money. I'll get the low
fire.
cost policy. But then that means you don't get much money back if there is a fire.
Yeah.
So there may not be enough money for the rebuild. And
So what are you gonna do if you don't have enough money to rebuild?
probably sell.
No shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, well, it's ridiculous.
Are you already rebuilding?
They're working on it. Yeah, they're working on it.
And when you say working on it, like in DC, that can mean just working on the plans.
Well, it does take a while. The fire was the end of April last year.
Yeah.
So it's already been over 9 months.
And are they working like physically?
Yeah,
Okay, they are.
they've started the rebuild really just a couple months
I
ago.
was about to say they probably started this year.
Yeah.
It took that long to get permits.
Well, not that. It's also a lot of inspections have to be done.
Yeah.
Lead and asbestos
Yeah.
abatement and,
Yeah.
and then reinspection and,
Yeah.
and then clearing out all the property has to be done.
Yeah.
It's just one thing after another.
Yikes.
It's a long process.
So you would recommend upgrading your insurance policy?
Well, I certainly recommend people take a good look and see how they're covered.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's two issues. One is the amount that's available to you
Right.
for the rebuild. And the other thing is your reimbursement for your possessions.
Yeah.
Because I had what's called actual cash value.
Okay.
And that means that it's whatever you own minus depreciation.
Right.
So if I'm a senior citizen, I've had most of my stuff for a long time.
Right,
so if
right.
you've had your furniture for 20 years,
So it's worth nothing.
it's
Right.
practically nothing.
Yeah.
So you don't get much of anything.
Yeah. Did you have a multifamily?
Well, it's just two, me and the basement, so that
Okay.
still counts.
Okay. Got you.
Yeah.
What's a house like that? What would you say if you had to rebuy the house? Like the house next door, what would that house cost?
Well, if it was in the condition that it was when I left
Yeah.
it, I don't know, maybe $1 million.
Maybe $1 million?
Yeah.
And what condition was it in when it burned up? Was it in?
Well, it was in unrehabilitated. I bought it in its as is condition back in '81.
Okay. And you hadn't done much rehabilitation to it?
Not much. I upgraded the roof.
Yeah.
I worked a lot on the basement to make it an apartment.
Apartment, yeah, yeah.
So a lot of work had been done on the basement and the roof, and then odds and ends here and there.
You have to kind of make that basement rentable to make the cost of living affordable here in DC, don't you?
Absolutely,
You have to, yeah.
Yeah, because that's all I had to live on was my rent from the basement and Social Security.
Are you retired?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What did you do for a living?
I was organist choir master.
Imagine.
Yeah.
So where would you leave? Would you leave here if you sold your house?
I'd have to think about that. I really want to go back to the house because this is where my friends are.
Yeah, this area, this neighborhood.
Yeah, and I have a lot of friends, mainly in my field, as the other organists around.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah, and I've been involved with music here in DC for a long time.
Okay.
And you can't reproduce that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So if I were to leave, I'd consider going back to California where I grew up as a child.
Yeah. So someone asked, the guy that burned down your house was smoking. He was a tenant, correct?
He had been a tenant until he lost his job. Yeah, he was paying until he hadn't paid for the last years or so.
So he hadn't paid for the last year.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Damn.
That's why when you asked if he was homeless, I said I don't know.
Oh, that man.
He hadn't been working.
Oh, that hurts me, my soul right there.
Well,
that hurts my soul, man.
Sad situation.
Yeah, it is very sad. Very, very sad. Man, oh man.
Well, he was a bartender.
Yeah.
And he had a drinking problem. So that was not a good occupation for him.
Yeah.
So he really shouldn't have gone back into bartending anyway.
Yeah.
So what he was going to do after that, I don't know. I think he was probably a good bartender.
Yeah.
Because he had the gift of gab.
Yeah.
He was entertaining and he was very intelligent.
Yeah.
And he had a degree. But wasn't right. He was good at it.
Yeah.
Made good money too.
Yeah.
But it wasn't good for his health.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was a bad situation.
Yeah, I can only imagine that. I can only imagine.
I
need that.
All right, take care.
Hey, good luck with your home as well. Your home rebuild. Yeah, indeed. Man, I go back and look at my insurance policies. I'm gonna call my insurance company tomorrow.
Yeah. Make sure you got enough money for your rebuild.
Hell yeah.
The other thing is make sure, if you can, get what they call replacement value.
Replacement value.
Instead of actual
value.
Because actual cash value may not be much.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Depreciation.